Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty smoky eye makeup tutorial right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching, and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much. I'm using this eyeshadow by MAC Cosmetics. It's called Brown Script. I'm using it on my crease first. It's almost finished. I'm using this Tara makeup. I'm using this shade from this Tara makeup blush palette for my crease too. Shade. I'm using this shade called Zaria. This NYX Cosmetics Zumbo High Pencil in Black Bean for my eyes. I'm using it as a base. And we are using this shade called Onisha from the same palette. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Smudge Proof Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm using this Classic Makeup Voluminous Mascara for my eyes. I'm using this Oriflame Pure Skin Mattifying Face Lotion as my face primer. I'm using this Revlon Makeup Color Stay Foundation in the shade Caramel for my face. I'm using this Mary Kay Facial Highlighting Pen Concealer in the shade 2 to conceal and highlight. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in shade Clay 2 to set my highlights. And I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation. This one is clay. Sorry, this one is 85. I'm using it to contour my cheek. Using this shade that I use for my crease, for my lower lash line. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics highlighter called Gold Deposit to highlight my cheek. And I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust highlighter in the shade Moonlight. I'm adding this as my highlighter too. I'm using this Tara Makeup blush palette. I'm using this shade as my blush. I'm using this Zaron Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Bold to line my lips. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics lip palette. I'm using the shade called Peachstock for my lips. This one right here, Peachstock. Clear lip gloss from Sleek Cosmetics for my lips too. I'm using this MAC Fix Plus spray to set my makeup.